It's recording? Alright, yeah. Hey, what up? Alright, check it out. We're about to do history here. Or is it the future? Anyways, I'm about to show you a top secret. Secret. I mean, it's a big secret. Shh. You gotta keep my secret. Can you keep my secret? I knew you could. I knew I could count on you. I'm gonna show you a cell phone of the future. I mean, this thing is... This is where it's at. Alright, check it out. Nobody's seen this ever before, so this is just you and me. So don't blow my cover. Bam! Oh my god, look at that. Isn't that not the most beautiful cell phone you've ever seen? Look at that. See that stuff? I don't know what it is, but it looks cool. And that's awesome. Oh my god, look at that. Wow, look at that. Oh, it's even blinging. Look at that. Damn. I don't know how they do it. Alright, now I'm going to show you this little feature. You're really going to be blown away by this. Alright, you ready? Check it out. Oh, look at that. You see that? See the way it flipped up? Tell me that ain't awesome. You can hit these little buttons here, and it does stuff. Check it out. See that? Tell me that ain't so cool. Yeah, I knew you like it. But remember, this is our little secret, because this is a super futuristic phone right here. It even got blue lights. I mean, what kind of, you know what I'm saying? But check it out, look. I'll do it again for you. Alright, you ready? Look at that. Damn. I know. How did they do it? I don't know, but we'll keep it a mystery. So, you know what it is. Deuces.